This is the all-new Realme 5. The Realme 5 is the much-anticipated affordable powerhouse from Realme smartphone lineup. Out of the box, the unit comes with a jelly case, a micro USB 2.0 cable, and a power brick. The Realme 5 is sleek at only 9.3mm thickness. The smartphone boasts a 6.5-inch display with a 20:9 ratio, protected by cornering Gorilla Glass 3 Plus. The back features a 4-camera setup with a 12-megapixel main sensor. The handset comes with a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner for added security. Realme 5 is available in two colors, crystal purple and crystal blue.